Top 15 Kitchen Cabinet Colors for 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're planning a kitchen renovation or just looking for kitchen inspiration, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 15 kitchen cabinet colors for 2026, from sleek neutrals to bold statement shades. So, whether you're into modern minimalism, timeless classics, or a pop of color, these trending shades will elevate your kitchen aesthetics and transform your space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest in home decor and kitchen design trends. First on our list is Soft Sage Green, a refreshing, earthy tone that blends perfectly with natural wood, white countertops, and kitchen design tiles. This color is perfect for a modern farmhouse look or a contemporary style with a cozy touch. Deep and dramatic, Midnight Blue is taking over in 2026. It pairs beautifully with brass or gold hardware and works well with kitchen design granite countertops for an ultra-luxurious feel. A sophisticated alternative to white, Warm Taupe is a timeless neutral that complements both trending colors and classic styles. It works especially well in small kitchens, creating a soft, airy feel. If you love a sleek, modern aesthetic, charcoal gray is a must-have. This deep tone enhances kitchen design ideas, especially when paired with white countertops and black hardware. Bringing warmth and character, Burnt Terracotta is an earthy, natural shade that pairs beautifully with wood accents, making it a favorite in home improvement projects. Yes, purple tones are making their way into kitchen trends. Muted lavender is subtle yet elegant, perfect for adding a unique, modern touch without overpowering the space. You can never go wrong with classic white. This timeless choice remains a favorite in kitchen remodel projects, offering a bright, clean, and versatile look. For a bold yet sophisticated look, deep olive green is gaining popularity in kitchen cabinet colors. It pairs beautifully with brass fixtures and warm wood tones. Soft, feminine, and trendy, blush pink is perfect for those who want a subtle pop of color in their kitchen design 2026. It works great with white, gold, and natural stone elements. Two-tone cabinets are here to stay. A navy and white combination creates a striking contrast, adding depth and elegance to your home design trends. Deep, rich, and dramatic, espresso brown is ideal for those who love dark wood tones. It enhances modern, rustic, or DIY kitchen styles effortlessly. A bold choice for kitchen aesthetics, black matte is sleek, modern, and surprisingly versatile. Pair it with gold or silver hardware for a high-end look. A vibrant yet sophisticated shade, ocean teal is perfect for adding a coastal or contemporary touch to your cabinet ideas. It's fresh, inviting, and full of personality. Natural wood tones are making a comeback. Warm honey oak gives a retro yet modern feel, making it perfect for kitchen inspiration in 2026. And the number one color for kitchen cabinet trends 2026 is Greiga. This perfect mix of gray and beige creates a warm, inviting look that complements any kitchen design. And that's a wrap on the top 15 kitchen cabinet colors for 2026. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor and kitchen design ideas, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.